Hello, this is Mr. Waterman, and this is lesson 5.4, using medians and altitudes in a triangle. So a median connects the midpoint of one side of a triangle. So let's say we're looking at this side. So if this is the midpoint here, then this is a median because it connects the vertex to the midpoint of one side. And all three of these lines that are concurrent in this triangle are meeting at what's called the centroid. Okay? It's balanced on a pencil here to show that it's actually the center of mass, center of gravity of this object, or the object will balance on the end of the pencil. So mathematically, the three medians intersect at a point that is 2/3 the distance from each vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. So what that means is this point where they intersect divides each median into two pieces. The longer piece is up here by the vertex and represents 2/3 of the total length of the median, and the shorter piece is down here and connects to the midpoint of the other side, and that's 1/3 of the total length. Okay? So go ahead and copy this into your notes. You need to know that it's called a centroid. You need to know what a median is. And you need to know the 1/3 and 2/3. Okay, on the next slide, let's go ahead and see if we can apply what we just learned about centroids and medians. So what we have drawn here is a triangle, and we have three medians drawing, and they're intersecting at point P in this circle, right there. Okay, so it says in triangle HJK, P is the centroid, and the length of segment JP is 12. Total length's 12. So it says find, not total length, from J to P here. So this piece, the top piece, okay? We have to find the length of PT, the shorter piece of the same median, and the length of the whole median, JT. What we learned is that this centroid divides this median into two pieces. One that's 2/3 of the total length, the other that's 1/3 of the total length. What that means is this top piece, JP, is actually twice as big as the smaller piece. Okay? So the way to solve it, if 12 is 2/3 of the total length and 6 is 1/3 of JT, then PT is going to equal 6. Okay? You could translate this into an equation and it'd be 6 is 1/3 times JT. Alright? 1/3 JT. So that's what it translates into, this equation here. So if you solve this, you end up with JT equals 18. Again, same solution. Okay, so does that make sense? 2/3 of 18 equals 12. This top piece, 1/3 equals 6. Okay? Alright, now for question 1. Question 1. What is PK, the length of PK, if RK equals 15? Okay? So we want to know how long this segment right here is, PK, if this whole segment's 15. Go ahead and join us on part B, where we're going to learn about orthocenters.